This is arguably one of the biggest decisions justices will make, 3 of them appointed by former President Donald Trump. The question, can a state decide if a candidate for federal office be removed from the ballot? The U.S. Supreme Court is on the clock with early voting for Super Tuesday weeks away. Justices will decide if Colorado can remove former President Donald Trump from the primary ballot.
For the first time in history, the attack was incited by a sitting president of the United States.
Colorado Attorney Jason Murray argued Trump was removed for his role in the January 6th insurrection. Murray is representing 6 Colorado voters who challenged Trump's eligibility. The legal argument centers around the 14th Amendment.
By engaging in insurrection against the Constitution, President Trump disqualified himself from public office.
On the other side is Jonathan Mitchell, representing Trump. Mitchell previously served as Texas Solicitor General. He argued President Trump did not engage in an insurrection.
And so the point is that a chaotic effort to overthrow the government is not an insurrection?
No, we didn't concede that it's an effort to overthrow the government either, Justice Jackson. Right? None of these criteria were met. This was a riot. It was not an insurrection.
Justices, both conservative and liberal, had concerns with the impact nationwide if they sided with Colorado, suggesting states would then have extraordinary power over federal offices.
Just say it. It sounds awfully national to me.
Yes, maybe some states would say, well, we're going to keep them on the ballot anyway. But I mean, really, it's going to have, as Justice Kagan said, the effect of Colorado deciding.
We talked to constitutional lawyer David Cole about the case. The Trump team is leaning on a case from the 1800s that says this is a congressional decision, not up to the states.
You heard questions about, is this our responsibility or is this Congress's responsibility? That's a running theme. I think that's a very attractive way for the Chief Justice to try to get a majority and resolve this case, to say this just isn't our fight.
Trump briefly commented on the case to reporters.
In watching the Supreme Court today, I thought it's a very beautiful process. I hope that democracy in this country will continue.
They can't just sit on this for months because an active election is about to happen soon.
They're going to resolve it in time so that everyone can do what they need to do. So you may not get a decision tomorrow, but you're going to get it very soon.
This week, an appeals court said Trump is not immune from prosecution in the 2020 federal election case. The court said it was unpersuaded by his argument. Trump has 90 days to appeal, something he will likely do. Steve.
All right, Stephen Dial.